Hey y'all, it's me, Brittany Jones, also known as Fineapple Beacon, and I just want to show y'all a really quick garden hack, okay? So basically, I have a leftover water bottle that I refilled with water, and what I'm going to do is take the lid, and I have this little thumbtack, and I'm going to poke holes all throughout the lid, y'all. Why am I doing this? Is because I'm going to use this to water my seedlings. Because seedlings just need droplets of water. Too much water pressure will disturb the seeds and it'll make them like disperse and get lost. And we don't want that. We just need a gentle little drizzle. So let me go ahead and poke these holes up in here. Try to go fast. And I mean, I have like a little watering thingy, like the little glass, you know, a little fancy thing you see in the movies and stuff. But this honestly is more practical for me. Like having to push that little nozzle over and over is just ridiculous. But this will last for a long time. Not to mention we are recycling, right? I love a little garden hacks. Y'all send me all y'all's little garden hacks that I might not know. Even if you think I might know them, send them to me. Because I need all the hacks. I need all the hacks. Don't hurt yourself. And if you hurt yourself, it ain't my fault. Take responsibility for yourself. Be careful. Oh, my guns is just so big. Okay, I'm almost done, y'all. You don't want it to be too much. It just needs to be like a light rain. Okay, so this is how I did it. Ooh, see, that was so easy. Literally. Water bottle lid, thumbtack. All right. I'll put it back on yonder here. I'll put it back on here. Shit. Oh, I'll be back. All right, so let's go water our seedlings because they dry. All right. Here's my babies. Okay, y'all, here are my babies. We got our little watering system, right? And you just look at that. Come on now. Come on, recycle. Come on, recycle, reduce, reuse. Yo, that was too easy to make. And there you have it. They're watered and ready to grow. Yeah, I haven't rewritten the names yet, but I actually know what they all are because I put the seed packets in order. Thank goodness. But I'll keep y'all updated on their growth. But yeah, try that hack and let me know how you like it.